Okay, we have Jersey's puppies. They're 4 weeks and 5 days old, and this is their first prey model raw diet of meal. It is ground up pork, beef, chicken, turkey, about 80% of that, 10% organ meat. That does not include hearts. Heart is not an organ, it's a muscle. And 10% ground up bone. This is their first time eating it. Puppies! That's a pound. They won't eat a pound, but I'm letting them eat until they're full. Bombay! And there they go. They'll probably end up eating about 1/4 of it, maybe. But I just let them eat until they're stuffed. The puppies you hear are Mandy's puppies. They will start eating next Wednesday, probably around 4 weeks old. They're only 3 weeks old now, 3 weeks and 2 days. It's a little too young. Although, to be honest, I've never tried it. But, yeah, we'll start them at 4 weeks old. There's Samantha and Bombay chowing down. There's Darren chowing down. Tabitha on the left, and on the right's Indora chowing down. And they'll eat until their tummies are full, and their tummies get really big and round. Now their tummies are full. Most of them are finished, except Indora is still eating. But you see her tummy? Very full. Full tummies. They might vomit up a little bit later because they've eaten too much. They don't know how to regulate themselves yet. But that's all perfectly normal. Look at that tummy.